Hello guys, welcome to Genius Developer. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important interview question of Java 8 coding guys. So if you are going for any interview like Java full stack development or Java backend development, so definitely this question is used to ask in any MNC guys. So as already we have discussed about one approach of this, but we are discussing this another approach, and this looks a little bit easier than previous approach guys. But both approaches are good and very. This approach is little bit concise to prior approach, but both approaches are very useful to resolving this problem guys. So let's coming to the problem. So this is the main uh, problem guys, and this is the most frequently asked interview question in Java 8. So usually they ask how to find each character's frequency in string in Java 8 guys. So specifically we have to find the frequency of each character using Java 8 stream API guys. So let's I will show the logic how we have to implement. So suppose we have this here one string, we have given entertainment. So in this entertainment we have to count each character like E how many times, N how many times, T how many times, E how many times. Like this we have to count. So guys see this, for counting this actually first we have to convert this string into character array guys. This we have to convert into character array. Then each character one by one we will count how many times E is there, N how many times is there, T how many times. And but after counting we will store into one hash map guys. So hash map will store usually key value format. So like E will come into suppose 1 times like this. Suppose uh, n comes n comes guys. Suppose n comes 3 time, and like this T comes 3 time guys. So like this, see this is key value pair guys. This will be stored into some map. Map means hash map. First usually we will use hash map only, like map or hash map. We will use first, we will define one map and we will store this in key value format, and by processing, by converting this into character array. So usually guys see, I have solved this problem earlier in using directly using chars method by converting char array, but here we are going to use arrays class guys. So let's first we will declare or define this map for storing the our result. So map we will take, suppose we are taking character and integer. Let's suppose it is coming character and integer. Suppose we have this character map. Here we have str guys, right? But here we will use actually arrays class. Arrays stream method will convert into a stream, and we will pass this string into a stream function guys, str dot, and we will use split method from string. If you know string split, and just we will split this. So here we will use collect collect and collectors dot grouping. Same other logic is quite similar guys, how we have solved earlier, but we have some here this is the new approach guys. So same we will use collectors dot counting, like collectors dot grouping by, and we will use function to count each characters guys. Function dot identity and we will call this collectors dot counting. Collectors dot counting. So see guys, as we know that see collector start counting will return, this return is long. Counting return type is long guys. Be careful. So for that, but while we are collecting here, this is we are taking integer. Can you think it will give error or not? It will give error guys, but let's see how it is giving error. And also, so see here it is showing, it is map require type character and integer. What we have defined here, it will require character integer, but what it will return this character dot count, it will return going to return string and long guys. Here there are two error are showing, string and long, because here split is returning string. This also we have to take care guys, split returning string, and this collector is counting is returning long. That's why it's showing error. So what, suppose that if it is map, it's required character integer, but it is returning integer and long. So if we change this map string and long, so this problem will be resolved or not? So this problem will be resolved guys, because here we cannot change this return type in because built-in method, but here we can change the return type. So instead of character we can take string. It will also store the same values, but it will in string type it will store, it was storing into character type guys. See now this error is gone guys. So after now converting into this map, now we have to print this key value format. So directly also we can print, suppose we will use system.out.println, suppose we are using this char map. Okay, so let's see what will be the output it will show. See guys, after running it is printing a1 r1 t 3 times, e2 times and e1 times, like this it is printing. But suppose uh, like if we want to iterate this char map directly, usually we are directly printing, but usually when you are going to give any interview and you are implementing any code guys, they used to expect the iterating this map. We know to how to iterate in simple way guys. This we can use entry set, and we can use for each. Using for each, just we can print this. If you write this logic, तो definitely going to be good impression in like to the panel guys. And this will show in very some like in better way, it will show the result guys in key value format. See it is printing like a1 r1 t3 and e2, like this it is printing all the like character frequency or character occurrence of each character in this given string guys. So this is the main logic guys in this. Here we are using arrays dot stream function, and we are using split method guys. This is the main difference guys in the previous logic and this logic. But make sure guys you understand both the logic, so you will implement the code in a better way guys. And in also in interview, sometime interview panel they expect some specific logic only that way or this, so you should be careful about while implementing. And when you are using chars method and map to obj, then definitely here they will take only char and long. Here they cannot take string. This also you should to take care. But where we are using arrays dot stream, then we can take here string map string and array guys long. So This was the main difference in both, guys. So on this topic, there are multiple questions in this, guys. Suppose you solve only these two questions very efficiently and very smartly, then you can solve lot of multiple questions in Java 8 based on string or based on collection, list or array. Like this, here we have just as we have got only the count of frequency of each character. Now we can get on the basis of this we can what are the count of the vowels in this, what are the count of the consonants, and how we can print into order, in particular order. Here just we have printing, see here we have printing just in a simple way, that without any order. Suppose we can print highest frequency. Suppose n came 3 times, like if we print we need the highest frequency character, that we can get. So this are the logic, but this is the base logic. If you understand this logic, so on this you can solve any stream API related problem and this string characters related problem, guys. So that's all for this topic, guys. So we will discuss some more topics on this, and mostly related Java 8 questions only. I am planning to add most of the important Java 8 questions. So cracking any MNC interview, guys. Probably if you understand those questions, so definitely we will crack any interviews in Java backend or Java full stack development. Very easily you can crack, guys. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching so far. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel, so that I can more add more values and add more important topics on this videos, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day.